If you're experiencing login issues on Epese 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that the caps lock key is not on and that you are entering the correct case for your credentials. Step 3. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Epese to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh your session and resolve any conflicts. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Epese app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update to the latest version and attempt to log in again. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Epese 2026. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.